Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to add audio to a Sway file. First, you're going to have to go to sway.com, and once you have arrived there, you're then going to have to log into your Microsoft account. Once you have done that, you will arrive at this page here. So you're going to click on Create New, so we can create a new Sway file. And you're going to arrive to this screen. So to add audio, you're going to have to go to this plus right here, which is titled Insert Content. Click that, and you're going to arrive to this screen. We're going to go to Media. Media gives us these options right here, and since we want to add audio, I'm going to click Audio. You have two options on Sway on how to insert audio. You can add an audio file. If I click this, it will bring me to my computer's drive, and I could select audio through here, or which is pretty cool and easier to do, in my opinion, is to click record. So I click record. It will tell me to get ready, and now I am recording. Once I am done recording, I'm going to click this button right here, which will finish my recording. You could listen to your recording by pressing the play. I could add it to my Sway. I could re-record it, or I could trash it. I'm going to add this to my Sway. This may take a second, just so the computer can adjust and add it. And also, this is called a Sway card. So we are adding audio to a Sway card. It is now loading up. And there you go. You have now added audio to a Sway card. You could listen to it by clicking play up here. You could adjust or re-record if you don't like how it sounds. Thank you for listening, and I hope this helped.